Peace and unity, peace and unity. Happy Independence Day, Nigerians.
What is it?
It has come to the notice of the gods that some of you are behaving anyhow, forgetting that we have a constitution.
Yes.
How will you visit somebody without buying ordinary agege bread or fruit? Thou shalt eat rice every Sunday afternoon. It's in the constitution.
Continue.
Nigerian that unplugs his phone at 100%.
They're wise.
Thou shalt not eat boli without granite.
Yes.
Thou shalt not ask a Nigerian girl for her age. It's an abomination.
Go and sit down.
You call yourself a Nigerian, but you cannot recite national anthem.
Oh my God.
Nigerian that says, I don't take Gary, I only take cereal.
Are you normal?
You are a traitor. You call yourself a Nigerian, but you did not serve jollof at your own bed. The gods will punish you.
Angry me.
How will you eat boli without granules?
Hey!
Nigerian that did not wrap his books with calendar or newspaper.
What's the kind of...
If you know if you speak pidgin, you know be Nigerian.
Help us.
You call yourself a Nigerian, but you are calling Okada motorcycle. You are calling Napep tricycle. You are going nowhere.
Continue.
Nigerian that is not savage. Is that one Nigerian? Nigerian that doesn't go about with charger or power bank. Is that one a Nigerian?
I don't know.
You call yourself a Nigerian, but you are calling Coca-Cola soda instead of minerals. If you don't keep your brooms behind the door or at the corner, you are not a Nigerian.
No problem.
You call yourself a Nigerian woman, but you cannot price market. You call yourself a Nigerian and you don't know the meaning of one chance.
Why, man?
You have entered one chance.
Continue.
You call yourself a Nigerian and a white man scam you. If you have never set rat trap, you are not a Nigerian.
Continue.
If you have never shouted up Neba, you are not a Nigerian.
Jesus.
Nigerian boyfriend that doesn't ask his girlfriend, have you eaten?
Hey!
Not a Nigerian.
Continue.
If you have never jumped queue before, you are not a Nigerian.
Continue.
If you don't have native, you are not a Nigerian.
Yes.
If you don't understand I language, you are not a Nigerian.
Continue.
If you've never had malaria before, you are an outcast.
You only you Wakako.
You call yourself a Yoruba demon, but you cannot break ordinary heart. You are not a Nigerian.
Jesus!
You call yourself a Nigerian, but you don't know that 2019 election,
Back down.
you are on a long team.
Man, nigga.
With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that if you don't fall into any of these categories, you are not a Nigerian.
Can you stop?
Bye-bye.